Alright everybody, here's a quick video of how to purchase a package in trust investing using bitcoins. Okay, so I'm gonna do this and I'm gonna show you. I hope this really works, because I'm filming with one device and showing you two other devices. I really want to make sure that this gets across the right way. So here's what I'm using here in the United States. Okay, this is for United States, and the platform that I find to be super useful and super fast for this is Cash App. So those of you who have Cash App, or if you don't have it, download it. It's a really good way of buying bitcoins. Okay, so here's what we are going to do. This is Cash App, and this is a back office, a typical back office from Trust Investing. I'm going to purchase a package of $15, and I just wanted to show you how that is being done. So first steps, going to the packages. I usually recommend to use a computer to do this, and then a phone to make the payment. Okay, so we're going to the packages. We select, in this case, a $15 package. Okay, there's two options: coin payments or pay with balance. In this case, we're going to choose coin payments, okay, which is the platform that allows us to make the deposit, a Bitcoin deposit, to Trust Investing. We go to process payment, and we are being redirected to coin payment website. Okay, in this part, we see that we have the amount that we have to send, $15.45. Okay, and I'm going to talk about this in just a second. And then the only thing we need to do on this page is choose your coin down here. As you can see, choose your coin. You see this blue square where it says 0.00151 BTC. That's the amount of Bitcoin that $15 represents. Okay, so you gotta click on this, make sure it turned green, all right, and then complete checkout. Once you did this, all right, you are going to see this page with QR code to scan. You see down here the amount that you have to send over. Okay, it's the same as the one that we just saw recently, and we see this address here. That's basically the Bitcoin wallet address that Coin Payments uses in order for us to send over our funds. All right, so right now we leave it here. We can see that we have 15 hours and 29 minutes available time to make this payment, so that's why I'm not in a hurry. Okay, sometimes it's less, sometimes can be more, but here it is. And what I do next is I go to my Cash App, okay, and I select this button down here, okay, and it takes me to this page. As you can see, I have $3.45 worth of Bitcoin already here, but I'm going to look at these options on the bottom here, and it says buy. Okay, so first step is buy the Bitcoin. Now you have several options here that you can do a one-time order, but I'm gonna choose my own. Okay, as you can tell, I have 345 here already. Okay, so here's the thing: when you get to insert how much you need to buy, the recommendation is, in order for everything to go smooth without any issues, you will end up, you have to understand that you will end up paying approximately a 5% extra in commissions, okay, between now when you buy Bitcoin and between here when you send it over to Coin Payments. Okay, so long story short, if you need to buy any type of package, you have to add 5% to that amount. So in this case, for instance, if I wanted, and I just give you this example, if I wanted to buy a $100 package with Trust Investing, I will buy $105 worth of Bitcoin. Okay, so again, 5% more. Okay, now in this case, I'm buying a $15 package, which will be 5% out of 15 will be 75 cents. But since I already have some in here, I'm not gonna add it. You do that when you buy your own packages. Okay, so I'm just gonna type in 15, but I should have done 15.75 or 16, let's say. Okay, let's just do that. By $1 more, $16 worth of Bitcoin. Okay, you hit next, Then you're going to be prompted to confirm your PIN, all right, which everybody should know what your PIN is. And then we get into this screen. As you can see, the fees are here. This is where you're going to see why the 5%. There's fees here, and then there's fees here. Okay, so a total of 5% from the amount that you are investing. In this case, I'm paying $16, and I'm going to end up with $15.64 worth of Bitcoin. Confirming. All right, and my purchase is confirmed. Okay, I purchased 0.015 blah 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 Bitcoin. I'm done. At this point, I have 19.09 worth of Bitcoin in my Bitcoin wallet in Cash App. Okay, now next step is, as you can see, this keeps refreshing by itself every 30 seconds. Okay, so next step is to send the amount necessary to Trust Investing. Okay, to do that, you go to this arrow here. Okay, and you have these options: deposit or send Bitcoin. I'm sending Bitcoin, so that's how you make a payment with Bitcoin. It's you sending Bitcoin. Okay, so I'm sending or withdrawing Bitcoin. Okay, these are the words used for that. Now you have to be very careful and to make sure you put the exact amount that is shown here, or even a little bit more. Okay, because if Bitcoin keeps going up and down and up and down, so if you allow a lot of time to pass between the moment you initiate this purchase until the moment you actually do it, if the Bitcoin price drops, then this amount won't be sufficient. So if you allow it to pass 5 hours, 6 hours, whatever, or 19 hours, 15 hours, whatever it says here, then I recommend you to put a little bit more. But in this case, since we're doing it almost instantly, you make sure you type in the exact amount that is shown here. Okay, so 0.00151,000. Okay, confirming everything, it's okay. All right, and now you see, after I type in the amount that I want to send, which is the same as that one, I have two options: withdraw, okay, which if I hit withdraw, it will take me to a screen where I need to type in the Bitcoin wallet address, which is this, all these series of numbers and letters. Okay, but Cash App, as well as others, give me the option to scan this QR code here. So instead of hitting withdraw here, I look at my upper right corner and I see this little square here. That's where I'm going. Okay, so I'm gonna hit the square, this opens up, and I scan. Boom. Please confirm your withdrawal to the wallet mentioned there. I'm confirming. Obviously I'm gonna have to do my cash pin again. Okay, so once I'm done with this, you initiated a withdrawal of such and such. Okay, I hit done, and you can see that I was left with $3.59, pretty much as much as I had already prior to this. Okay, so now Cash App, you can close it off, you can put it aside, and you just wait on this screen. You're gonna wait on this screen for 6, 7, maybe 10 minutes. It all depends on how fast it goes. I'm not gonna make you wait here until this process, but the next step, you have to wait until this screen, this QR code disappears, and you will see with green letters the word paid. Once you see paid here, you can go ahead and close this. Okay, so you can definitely close this window, and you can go to your back office. Once you're in your back office, you hit home here, and you wait another 3 to 5 minutes until the amount invested is gonna be reflected here. It's gonna be added here. Okay, so it's not gonna be instant. First you wait 7, 8, 10 minutes until this disappears, and you're gonna see paid, and then it's another 3 to 5 minutes until you see your amount reflected in your back office. All right, so this is ladies and gentlemen, how you purchase a package using, in this case, Cash App, which is very similar to any other Bitcoin exchange platform. If you're using Coinbase or any other ones that are available where you live or you prefer, the concept is the same. It's just what's different is the layout and the design of each application. All right, so long story short, this is how you purchase a package in trust investing. I hope everybody understands it. I hope you liked it, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or doubts. All right, everybody, stay safe and let's make some money.